Yes, grabe. We have here TJ and KZ in the flesh. O, diba? Ate KZ, TJ. Okay, of course, sit down muna bago tayo mag-chika minute. How are you guys? TJ and KZ. Yes, sit down.
We're very nervous, but we're very excited. Relax, basta ka na.
Gusto mo standing? Okay, sige,
Ay,
standing.
upo na ba tayo?
Okay.
Parang mas nakakakabato kaysa kumanta na.
Okay, gusto nila tayo muna. Okay, sit down na. Okay, go. How are you guys, KZ and TJ?
We're very happy to be here. We're so excited na nandito po kayo ngayong lahat ngayong gabi. Grabe po. Thank you so much for choosing to be with us tonight. And syempre, thank you so much, Ayani, for joining us din. Closing na ba?
Kazers and Robbie Duri! Thank you. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Of course, our Duncan family, thank you sa gabi to na nag-celebrate tayong lahat. Kaya enjoy na lang natin tong gabi to. Kinakabahan ka ba? Kanta na lang tayo?
Alam mo naman, first time natin dito. Bakit iba ang kaba ng family?
Yes.
Kasalanan niyo po. Ay, kasalanan niyo pala.
Actually, naalala ko, nung media conference, parang sabi ni KZ and ni TJ, kinakabahan daw nila kasi first fan meet nila as a couple. Tama. Yes. Ever. First ever fan meet.
First time ko naka-experience kanina ng mag-soundcheck experience.
Yes. Oh my gosh, first time ever. Kaya guys, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili, Betweens and Kazers. And grabe talaga, I just wanna share. Alam mo nila to, KZ and TJ, na lagi ako naiiyak kapag nakikita ko sila. Kasi sobrang talaga ako sa kilig. And tonight, we are ready for more kilig. Pero bago yun, of course, TJ and KZ, meron po tayong Q&A portion with a twist. Okay, so guys, Kazers and Betweens, nakita mo ba yung nakita niyo ba yung TV commercial nila ng Dunkin recently? Yes? Nakita niyo? Okay, perfect. So we are ready to recreate that in real life with our Q&A. O, diba? We are gonna get to know you guys as a couple and individually. So, tawagin po natin ang mga mahiwagang cups natin.
I got you.
Ayan. So, ito. Ayun, meron na pala. Let's do. Ito na. Ang ating game. One Sweet Choice. Ayan. One Sweet Choice. So basically, I'm gonna be asking you guys questions and you guys need to choose yung answer. Okay? And check natin kung pareho ba kayo ng answer. Basically, parang same wavelength ba kayo? Ganon.
Dapat pareho.
Ha?
Pareho ng answer.
Yes, dapat pareho. Pero kung iba, okay lang. Pwede kayo mag-explain.
Baka ang ending nito, magkaaway pa kami kukuhin mo.
Baka iba na sila
Then,
kayo.
Is that never been sweeter na bitter? Bitter.
Mister po, diba? Okay. First question. Are you ready, KZ and TJ?
Sige, let's go. May prize ba to?
Yes, may premyo from Dunkin.
Wow, thank you!
Yung premyo po ng Dunkin, of course, your favorite tumbler and umbrella. Oh, diba? Okay, let's see. Our first question for our power couple, TJ and KZ. Can you share with us what moment as Dunkin's brand ambassadors has been the most memorable for you? Okay? Tapos sabay natin ipakita.
Baka mangopya ka pa.
Bawal po. O, diba? Tingnan natin. Parang high school test, high school exam, bawal mo. Kaya. Okay, TJ, you're done. You're done? Okay.